the accessories from the 9 Ultra to the 10 Ultra, due to the fact that we have exact same specs, are interchangeable. And let me show you a couple of accessories that I do have that I want to share with you. So the first accessory I have is the outdoor cover case. So this is the cover case for the 9 Ultra, and you can use this as a stand. If you don't need a keyboard, you can, go ahead and pull this out, and it has a slot for your stylus support and your camera cutouts. And then it has this giant stand that is basically 180 degrees in the rotation. And it has the nice Samsung carbon fiber. It's very solid case. So essentially, this is the S9 Ultra. So you can just go ahead and slap that in there. And the good thing about this case, it is very tight fitting, and it does keep everything nice and snug. So the only thing exposed is the glass, and then this is what it looks like from the back. And it keeps your stylus together. And it has a stand, and you can, move it around, and it's still holding. So let's go ahead and take this off and show you what it looks like on the S10 Ultra, because sometimes we upgrade to a different phone that has similar specs. Sometimes the manufacturers of these cases make it a little bit snug to where it quite doesn't fit, but in my testing with this, it fits. So once again, I'm going to install this. Now, one thing I must say is that it was a little bit tighter to put it on, but as you can see, same thing. And this is on the S10 Ultra. So this case is interchangeable with your S10 Ultra and your 9 Ultra. And I love this tablet. I mean, it's the best, in my opinion, this is the best tablet on the market, and it's beating out Apple, hands down. All right, another accessory that we're gonna look at as I rip this case off. Put that here on the side. So that was the outdoor cover for both the S9 Ultra, Tab Ultra, and the 10 Tab Ultra. The next one we're going to talk about is the book keyboard slim cover. So this one, it says it's specifically for the Tab S9 Ultra. But as I mentioned before, it has the same specs. And it does come with the keyboard, and it comes with the protection for your stylus. It has the Samsung logo. And then here's the keyboard, so the Bluetooth keyboard. And as such, fit it in the slot where your stylus is. And then voila, the magnetic connector is there. And this is really, really good if you're wanting to do some productivity, because it utilizes the space bar. And when you have it in Samsung Dex mode, you can, type away. And you can use hotkeys in order for you to function. And as you can see, works like a charm. So this is a very neat accessory, and I believe I either paid for it or they gave it to you as a gift when you got the S9 Ultra. I believe I paid for it because Samsung is not that generous when it comes to that. They want their full dollars. All right, so now let's go ahead and take the S10 Ultra and put it to the test. So we're gonna lay it down on the back like this. And all right, and voila. So once again, this is the S10 Ultra, and we have the keyboard cover here. And the keyboard cover is working properly. Let's go ahead and type something to see. RSTLNE. It works. So if you're worried about upgrading from the S9 Ultra to the S10 Ultra, and you have accessories that you don't want to waste away, the good thing about upgrading with this minimal upgrade, you're going to be able to use them interchangeably.